Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. And yeah, it's been a really slow day. The market broke briefly above this descending trend line, indicating that possibly this C wave within wave B might be unfolding. Since then has come down a little bit, but it's forming a higher low at the moment, or at least, well, okay, we haven't got a low in place as a higher low, but we haven't broken below the Friday low yet. And as mentioned before, as long as the price is holding above the 62,318 level, the yellow wave count remains the preferred scenario. What is that wave count? The scenario suggests that a third wave topped here that was around the 13th of March. We had that pullback, but that was not all of wave 4. Instead, it was only an ABC structure in a larger A wave. I'd like to see an A, B, C structure now in a B wave into the region between 69,921 and 75,000 possibly, even though that's a bit of a stretch target up there for that C wave and within B. And then we should see a larger C wave to the downside, and the price should still be able to hold the orange larger support zone, which is a relevant support level also on the daily chart. So we have really only so far tested the earliest or the highest Fibonacci level in this, according to this wave count, basically in this support area, which is the 23.6 Fibonacci level, which is relevant for a fourth wave, but it's just very shallow. And that indicates Bitcoin has a lot of space if it needs to use it. For example, the $55,400 level is typically an ideal target for a for a fourth wave. So that's sort of what we are watching. If I zoom in a little bit again, just to explain again what's going on here. So the perspective was that in the preferred scenario, which is the yellow one, the A wave likely topped. We had a B wave pullback, but because the pullback was corrective, which means we had a little bit overlapping price action. We have ABC structures. It is likely that this was only the B wave of the larger B wave, and we're now in the C wave to the upside of wave B. But then the price should turn around soon and continue the move to the upside. Based on this structure, or based on these assumptions, the price now needs to break above the last high at $66,000 to basically confirm that this C wave to the upside has started to unfold. The target area is well known. In addition to that, it's worth knowing about the alternative perspective. So the alternative still suggests that a wave B might have topped already. Okay, so I'm not sure that the yellow count is going to play out. The red one has to be considered. So this B wave was basically technically strong enough, this small ABC structure, because the price reached the 61.8 retracement. That's normal for a B wave, so it's possible that this was wave B, but then the move down isn't clearly impulsive, so I don't really have strong evidence to suggest that this C wave to the downside is unfolding. Surely it could be an ending diagonal, and then the wave 1 would be an ABC structure, the wave 2 rally right now, so it would basically be wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down, wave 4, 5. But we'll see. But that's then not very clear. And it takes a break below 62,318 basically to suggest that the red count is unfolding. Until then, I'm looking for higher in wave C. And if we add a micro count, which to be honest, I don't have much confidence in, but it's possible that this here was a small one, small wave 2 pullback, 3, 4, 5, something like that, which might be worth observing as we climb higher. Let me just change the wave degree here. Yeah, and this is sort of what I'm watching for. Obviously, consequently, this wave 2, to avoid invalidation, shouldn't really break below the 78.6 Fib level, so not below $62,300. So yeah, not much more to add about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.